Hey, Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, and it's time for the three big things you need to know. So let's get right down to it. Interest rates, the Federal Reserve. Fed raised the Fed rate again this week. We expected that. We knew that was going to happen. The thing is it's likely going to happen at least once and possibly three more times. It's going to continue to drive interest rates up. So that is a fact, and that is slowing the market down. Second big thing, some people think that's a bad thing. And if you're selling, it might be. But if you're buying, this is an opportunity. And you may look at me and go, how can it possibly be an opportunity to buy when interest rates are on their way up or higher? Well, first of all, they're not even at a 40-year average right now. That would be 7.5%, but they're quickly going to be there. Why is it an opportunity for you to buy? Because sellers are more willing to make a deal. That means they're more willing to negotiate on your price. They're more willing to pay closing costs. 60% of my buyers right now are getting closing cost incentives. They're more willing to do repairs. They'll take an FHA transaction. They'll take a VA transaction. So if that's not a good reason to buy, I don't know what is. Now, you may say, I know, but I really just don't like the payments associated with today's interest rate. Guess what? It's going to get a lot worse. So buy now, because what's going to happen is it's going to continue to drive up. Once inflation has completely gotten under control by virtue of the Fed raising the Fed rate, you're going to see interest rates start improving. But they're not going to improve fast. They'll improve slow. But what's going to happen as soon as they start on the downward curve, what do you think is going to happen to housing prices? They're going to go up. So right now, buy, get the deal. Between 6 months and probably 12 months, maybe 18 months at the backside, we're going to refinance your home anyway. So buy now, get the equity. You'll gain a lot of equity, and you'll be in a good position when it's time to refinance. You might even be able to eliminate private mortgage insurance. Now, third big thing you need to know. Okay, looks like Fannie Mae is raising the Fannie Mae limit. So currently it's 647. It's going to 715. That means you could buy a $750,000 house almost and put 3% down. Call the loan arranger at 407-250-9144 or apply online at webringyouhome.com. Have a great weekend.